Welcome back, guys. And tonight I gave me a video today. It's a storm warning. So I'm gonna tell you. So apparently there's this big snowstorm coming that's supposed to come this Saturday, and it's gonna be big. Trust me. Like it's supposed to hit like Minneapolis the hardest. And yeah, that's what it's supposed to hit the hardest. So if you're watching this in Minneapolis right now, I would be careful. Stay in the house on Saturday. Don't leave. Just stay in the house. Keep warm. So yeah, it's gonna hit Fairmont pretty hard too, but not as hard as Minneapolis. So yeah, it's gonna be really. We're gonna get loads of snow, and it's like maybe 5th or 6th snowstorm that we had since this month started, and it's so stupid. Every time the snow is almost melted, we get a snowstorm. Why? Anyway, bye.